What is bias and types? Partiality, predilection, and prejudice towards a specific dataset are referred to as bias. It describes the inclination to form opinions before completely comprehending an idea. It is a departure from the expected outcomes in data science. It basically indicates that there are inaccuracies in the data. Types of biases: first, selection bias; second, linearity bias; third, confirmation bias; fourth, recall bias; fifth, survivor bias. First, selection bias arises when sample data is not representative of the entire population due to improper sample selection. Second, linearity bias occurs when a change in one quantity is expected to result in an equal and proportional change in another quantity. Third, confirmation bias involves making decisions based on pre-existing beliefs, leading to the selective acceptance or rejection of information. Fourth, recall bias results from the failure to accurately recall past events or details, often influenced by recent experiences. Fifth, survivor bias distorts data by focusing only on successful cases while ignoring failures, leading to a skewed perception of reality. In a survey of 64 women, the mean of weight was found 55 kilograms and the standard deviation is 16 kilograms. Find the standard deviation of the selected sample. If the distribution is normal distribution, population mean 55 kilograms, population standard deviation is 16 kilograms, sample size n is equal to 64, the sample standard deviation is equal to standard deviation upon square of under root n is equal to 16 divided by under root 64 is equal to 2. So, the sample standard deviation is 2.